Karnataka, the southern state of India, is famous for its rich biodiversity as it has lush green hills, UNESCO World Heritage Site, magical jungles, amazing wildlife, mesmerizing waterfalls, and enchanting beaches. In this video, we are going to take you to the journey of a magical jungle, the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. It was established as a tiger reserve under Project Tiger in 1973. The total area of Bandipur National Park is 873 square kilometers. It is located partly in Chamarajnagar district and partly in Mysuru district. The park is said to have tigers, Indian elephants, leopards, dhole, sambar, sloth bear, cheetahs, and many more animals and birds.
There are many resorts to stay near Bandipur Tiger Reserve. However, we chose to stay at the Government Forest Rest House in the middle of the jungle. We stayed at one of the rooms named Kokila. Let us show you what the Forest Rest House has to offer. You can book the FRH online. Link will be available in the description box. The best thing to stay in FRH is you can spend time watching deers, wild boars, birds and langurs from your stay itself. And if you're lucky, you can even witness leopards and elephants too. Without any further delay, let's begin with our first evening safari.
Our first sighting was a beautiful bird named bee-eater, who was shaking off water from its feathers and drying itself. The light was perfect. Next comes the game of hide and seek. Elephants were hiding behind the bushes after seeing our bus. A little ahead, we saw a gaur busy grazing and was not bothered at all to give us a look. Moving further ahead, we saw a mama elephant protecting her baby calf. They were grazing and staring at us. Just look at the baby. It is so cute. Moving further inside the forest, we reached a water hole, and here we saw a rare sighting of two elephants taking mud bath. First we thought the elephant slipped, but we realized it was taking mud bath to get relief from insects and parasites. It was actually really fun to watch them taking the mud bath.
It was time for our safari to end, but our fate had something surprising and rare to offer us. The rare sighting of Sloth Bear. Sloth bears are usually shy and are found deep inside the forest, but we were lucky to spot it on the side of the main road. Unlikely, our presence did not bother the bear, and it was busy looking for food. Saying bye-bye to the bear, we ended our safari with this beautiful sunset. Good morning from day 2. We are heading for our morning jeep safari, and you can see the deers in the campus. The weather was a bit cold and misty in the morning. The day began with blessing of Lord Ganesha, the Asiatic elephant with a calf. There is something about this forest. The deeper you go, the more you fall in love with it and understand the value of the nature. Into the forest, we found one of the favorite foods of tigers, the sambar deer. They are large deers and are found deep inside the forest. Further ahead, we saw a jungle fowl. Moving inside the jungle, we saw a herd of Indian gaurs having their breakfast. An amazing fact about them is that an average male gaur can weigh up to 1500 kgs and females can weigh up to 700 kgs. They are the largest wild cattle in the world.
Soon after the sighting of the gaurs, our naturalist spotted fresh pug marks of a tiger, and we started searching for the tiger. But little did we know what we were about to witness. There was pin drop silence in the jeep all of a sudden, and my mom whispered, "It's a leopard." We were in awe looking at this beautiful animal. Look at those eyes. Leopards are secretive and elusive. They generally avoid humans. This one is a male leopard. Usually, males weigh between 37 to 90 kilograms and females between 28 to 60 kilograms. They run at a speed of 58 kilometers per hour. They are able to climb trees even when carrying heavy prey and often choose to rest on tree branches during the day. After the amazing leopard sighting, our safari had come to an end. We headed back to our rest house. On the way back, we again met the same mama elephant and baby which we saw in the morning. Also, a herd of spotted deers, often known as cheetal. After relaxing for an hour and so, we did some bird watching in our campus itself. In the evening, we had no safari planned, so we took our own vehicle and took a small drive on the main road. We saw lots of peacocks and a rare sighting of a peahen with its chicks for the first time in our life. Once back to our rest house, we were given company by langurs and deers again in the campus. Good morning from day 3, Jeep Safari. This time, our day started with wild boar family with their cute little piglets.
Inside the forest, we came across a herd of elephants. They were on our jeep route and were coming towards us. We had to move back our jeep and give them space as we had interrupted their way. Elephants show selflessness and come together to help the young ones in times of danger. They are one of the most intelligent species on earth. In this safari, we could only find elephants, gaurs, and deers. Now we are at the safari campus, where safari starts and ends.
After the sighting of the leopard the previous day, we were hoping to find either a tiger or a leopard again. Hence, we took an evening bus safari. This was our final safari in Bandipur. The first animal we spotted was an elephant with large tusks. These elephants are known as tuskers. They are known to charge on jeeps or buses when they are aggressive or when they want to scare you. After 15-20 minutes inside the forest, finally the wait was over, and this time we saw a majestic tiger sleeping inside the bushes. Though the tiger was far from our bus, we still managed to get some shots. With this sighting, our final safari was successful.
While returning, we saw two spotted deers fighting. They were fighting to establish dominance. Opponents interlocked their horns and pushed against each other. Also, we had a rare sighting of deers mating. Back to our resort, we again saw a boar family and ended our day with this mesmerizing sunset. This was our story of 3 memorable days cherished at Bandipur. We really hope you liked this informative and interesting video about Bandipur National Park and its wildlife. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more such amazing content.